Hi, in this video we will be assembling the PK1 ProStreamer Cage for the Yolobox Ultra. Starting by taking one of the two sides and putting the aluminium bars on top and bottom. No particular order is required. Please remember to not over-tighten any of the bolts. Also, please note the folding legs come pre-assembled, so you don't have to do this part. Once we've done that, we now place the assembled part like this. It's time for you to choose if you want the ports to be on the top side or the bottom side. Doesn't really matter. I will put it out like this. And now I will also put slide in top nuts for the handlebar. It is important to do this now, otherwise you will have to disassemble the cage again. Once that is done, we place the other side and secure like so. Again, please do not over-tighten. The first step of the assembly is done. Now we need to assemble the top handle. I am using bolts with washers. Please remember to use washers on the top handle. And now the top handle is done. Last, if you wish to install the cable or wire managers, there is a separate video for that, but I will demonstrate for the sake of completing this video. You have to do it like this. Take the Allen key through the hole as shown and then put the M4 by 8 bolt like this, and then slightly turn it in just a bit like so. Now like that, and turn, and you're done. Installing the second one as well. Of course, you can adjust them as you wish later on. And the assembly of the ProStreamer cage for the Yolobox Ultra is complete. Enjoy!